welcome to the channel. Welcome to night point of view drive of this,
the all-new Peugeot 208, all-new generation based on the new platform. And really, I mean, just look at the car. It looks very modern and aggressive indeed. Look at the way the taillights are, they have this nice illumination, 3D. They're connected with this black part. Overall, the car really looks stunning in my opinion. Look at it from this angle. So has this, as you can see, this is the GT line, which means you do have some extra options such as the 17-inch dual tone wheels. We also have this in gloss black. But let me go on the front once again and put on the lights. So very lovely daytime running LEDs. They go all the way up to there. And well, yeah, this car is really a big improvement compared to the previous generation in my opinion. And let's now jump inside and see how does it look during the night drive. You can see here is the key, and now let's step inside. Okay, so this is the interior. You are greeted with a well-known small steering wheel, which we used to see in other Peugeot models. You also have the Vision digital cockpit in front of the driver. Let's press the start button and this goes to life. You can put on the light so you can see better. Now here we have some gloss black finish. You also have the main 10-inch screen. Let's go to some of the buttons here. So you do have the physical buttons in here, and then these are the touchscreen buttons. If I go this, for example, if I put this, then you control the AC over here. Moving on, you do have the navigation, which is very cool in this big screen. And well, yeah, overall you do have also the ambient lights, sport seats. You have the driving modes here, so you can put it in your eco, normal or sport mode. Then this is probably the coolest thing about this car. So this is the digital cockpit. It's a 3D. I don't know if you can see it, but for example, the rev counter is in front of me, and then the temperature and the fuel gauge, they're a bit further from me when I look at this from this way. You also have the different views, so you can have a driving information. As you can see, now we change it and now we have the car in front of me. Then moving on, you do have the navigation, so you can have the navigation in front of you. So this looks very cool. Tell me which one is your favorite. So you have the minimum, so of course just your speedometer, for example, for long drives during the night. Let's move on. You do have some personal settings, so basically you choose what do you want in here. For example, here I have power, boost and torque. Very cool. You have the personal settings number 2, and back to the classic instrument cluster with everything that you need. Now that if you've seen this, I think it's time to go for a drive. Okay, so let's go for a drive. As you can see, small steering wheel, very nice digital cluster in front of me. And let's see how does this look during the night. Now you may notice when I press the sport mode on, now let me go. I don't know if you can hear it on the camera, but the car starts to sound louder. That's because of the speakers. So basically car is projecting the sound. It's a fake sound, Some people love it, some people don't like it. I don't know, in my opinion that is great. But tell me in the comments, what do you think about this feature? So we do have the sport mode on which we are currently in, and I will stay in sport mode. I think the sound is cool, so let's stay in the sport mode. This small steering wheel is really nice to drive. The car handles pretty well. I'm really impressed for the car, you know, such a small car like this to, you know, perform that good. I mean, this is the small city car, but yeah, they really, you know, nailed it with this one. You also have different engines available. This one is 101 horsepower petrol. You do have the additional petrol engine with 130 horsepower. You also have the base one with 75 horsepower. If you like diesels, there is one diesel with 100 horsepower, and there's also electric version, full electric version, but that is coming next year. And let me change the view here for you. So let's go to navigation. Oh, this looks very cool indeed. I'll now turn off these small lights here. Guys, I want to hear your comments of, you know, this interior. What do you think about it? What do you think about the design of the car? And would you have this over, for example, Citroen C3, Opel Corsa, which is based on the same platform, Volkswagen Polo? Tell me your thoughts. We are now entering the lovely center of Opatija on the Croatian coast. And I really hope you did enjoy this view of the new Peugeot 208 new generation model. Let's go back to normal mode. It's a bit less aggressive in the normal mode in terms of, you know, the addition of, I mean, less red color on the dashboard with the normal mode. It's cool that you also have this small, you know, sort of like a screen. It's not screen, but it's the place where, you know, you have some projections such as the indicators, which is not on the screen itself. So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to the channel, as there will be plenty of more videos, night point of view drives and more tests coming. That's it for now. See you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.